Hi everybody. My name is Sant Shri. I am from Varanasi. I'm here at the Tourism Film Festival. So as you were asking that what were the challenges or what we go through basically. So uh, to make a 14-minute short film that I made about Mahakumbh, I spent 3 months in Mahakumbh, 90 days. And to negotiate with everything, to make your arrangements, to get permissions, it's very difficult. And when you have no funding and nothing, so it's very difficult. And when you get some recognition like this, it feels very nice to each one of us that you get some recognition for anything that you're doing out of passion. And yes, so this is my story, and I guess that इनका भी story कुछ अच्छा ही होगा. So please.
I'm sure you must be having each your own story, and we know that what efforts are taken generally to make a documentary, even if it is a small 15 minutes documentary. So please, I think Ankur.
यस
Yeah.
मिनी ब्लैंक आप लोगों ने अभी देखा मतलब सेकंड फिल्म मिनी ब्लैंक था तो जैसे कि बताया मेरा दोस्त ने तो जैसे हम लोग को फंडिंग नहीं मिलता है तो ये मेरा डेब्यू फिल्म था, पहला फिल्म था, एक्सपेरिमेंट बेसिस था कि कैसा, तो इतना रिकॉग्निशन मिला तो बहुत अच्छा लगा। इतना फिल्म का नॉलेज नहीं है मेरा, तो मैं तो एक्चुअली एकेडमिक बैकग्राउंड से हूँ, फिर भी मैंने ट्राई किया तो मुझे लगता है कि आगे ट्राई करने से और भी अच्छा होगा। इट्स ए ग्रेट प्लेजर और थैंक यू ऑर्गेनाइजर्स इतना मतलब अपॉर्चुनिटी दिया। और जैसे कि बता कि फंडिंग वगैरह का तो प्रॉब्लम है, लेकिन हम तो ऐसा कोशिश कर रहे थे कि जैसे गांव का लोग और जिसको पास फंडिंग नहीं और जिसको इक्विपमेंट भी नहीं है, जैसे डिजिटल और मतलब छोटे से मतलब वो इक्विपमेंट से भी मतलब फिल्म बना सकता है, तो ऐसा मैसेज मैं देना चाहता हूँ। थैंक यू। मेरा हिंदी इतना अच्छा नहीं है, फिर भी मुझे लगता है कि आप लोग समझ सकते हैं। Thank you.
Yeah. Hindi, English, whichever language comfortable.
Hi, my name is Shabri Varkala. I am from Kerala, and my short film name is The Lone Sentinels of Nilgiri Forest. And this is my first documentary, and it's based on a true incident. It happened in 1950. There was a flight crash happened in Tamil Nadu, Nilgiri Forest. So it took 10 years to complete the documentary. That's a challenge for me, very challenge for me. And this is the first International Tourism Award for me, and this is the 8th International Award for me. Thank you.
Hello everyone, this is Dhruv Raval. Basically, I'm a distributor for the films They Make It, and I distribute around the globe. So my movie is Rome. Mr. Dev Kapil Sharma has been director, and he has told me that please go and attend the event. So I'm a distributor for the multiplexes, OTT platforms, YouTube channels, as well as I introduce the film festivals for around the globe. I take the movie, I go around the globe and everywhere. और मैं यही distribution, I'm the third generation in the distribution.
Wow.
So my grandfather started, he was doing for the cinemas, my father did for the cinema and the TV channels. Now I'm the one who is doing for the cinema, TV channels, as well as the OTT platform. So this is the people who makes me to go around and take their films to.
There is just one question for you because you are into distribution, and this is the question on behalf of all the filmmakers, that this is the content related to tourism. So we would like to know, and it will be good for all the filmmakers also to understand that what are the caliber of distribution of such kind of content which is made throughout the India. So would you like to say something about it, the distribution potential of?
Yeah, so we have now as a makers, it's a very good platform. We have like YouTube channels, Vimo and everywhere. At least your movie can be showcased to the audience. Earlier, it was very difficult to get to the audience because there was no channel to get it. There was only one channel, that was a cinema. So it was too difficult. But now they are also be as a producer, distributor, director, everyone, the one-man army can be done. But getting that audience to your channel, that is a big challenge for every channel owner for a YouTube channel. So in that we come into it. We help them for the digitally how you can get the audience to your channel and everything. So we do lots of PR things for it, online, offline, and we find out the right appreciations from the internationally also. So that's the best way we can do it. And as a distributor, it's a very difficult job to convince them that yes, your movie can be go and it can be showcased to the audience.
Absolutely. Absolutely.
Yeah.
Yeah. So anyway, thanks for coming. I think सगळेच जण हे खूप बाहेरून आले. संतोषी, I guess, has come from Mumbai. Yeah. You have come from?
I am from Assam.
So you have come from?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So आसाम मधनं तो आलेला आहे. ठीक आहे. केवळ या फेस्टिवलसाठी.
मेरे साथ मनोज देका भी है सिनेमा.
अच्छा. Okay. Thank you. And
I'm from Kerala.
yeah. Thank you. Thank you again.
Thank you everyone.